Bye. You get your goddamn ugly ass.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
No! That was perfect.
Say, Daddy, come on. Tell him. Say, come on, Daddy. Oh.
I want your most evil gangster face that you got. If somebody were to break in, what face would you give them? All right, jeez. That'll do it.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Can you tell me a story? Tell me more. Can you tell me more? Tell me more. What's wrong? What else?
And how do you intend to kill us?
Oh, no, I can't kill you. But my buddy can. Say hi, buddy.
I woke up in the fresh as hell on a Monday. I can't go to hell, I went to church last Sunday. Last Tuesday, I met a model on a runway. She said she...
Me, I really like corn.
What do you like about corn?
It's corn. A good corn Vietnam. It has the juice. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing. It's corn. I can tell you all about it. I mean, look at this thing. When I find it, the title amazing thing.
No worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this'll all just be a dream. Now hush, little baby, don't you cry. Everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that upper lip up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold you.
I woke up in the fresh as hell on a Monday. I can't go to hell, I went to church last Sunday.